actually closing out on a high, pretty much the highest point for the Nifty and what has been an absolutely dramatic recovery in the last 1.5 hours. You do have a lot of the commodity stocks to thank for it and also consumers. But let's not forget that even banks, and that was a big part of the market that was dragging in the morning, banks also cut their losses and that helped matters. So the tally on the Nifty is reading northwards of 19,600, very close to the 20 DMA. Big gainers include JSW Steel, Hindalco, some of the Coal India, of course, as we mentioned, ONGC, these are the commodity plays. Then you have some auto names like Tata Motors and M&M that did well. And consumers, like I was saying, ITC, Titan, these are important stocks to look at. Of course, with some help from stocks like Reliance and L&T. So a pretty good session. Dr. Reddy's, that was actually the Nifty gainer of the day is Dr. Reddy's. Impressive show by that one as well. Actually, the Nifty loser is Divi. So Divi is on the bottom of the tally and Dr. Reddy's right on top. Interesting divergence.
Numbers on Monday for Divi's.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's quickly run you through some of the mid-cap movers on the way down. Mishra Dhatu post numbers ends down close to about 7%. Adani Wilmar on fears that, or on the possible supply from the promoters. Adani Wilmar is down close to about 4%. You had weakness in Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. Cuts coming through in names like Dreamfolks post its numbers towards the end of trade. In fact, locked in a lower circuit of 20%. Idea Forge, Brigade, GSFC, Prestige, PB Fintech. These are all the big mid-cap losers.
Well, from the broader markets, Reema, there were some of these stocks that were done and dusted, but they came back. So just to highlight a few of them, Ratan India Enterprises, stock was up 20%. HCC was up close to around 20%. You had Suzlon that was up close to around 5%. Dish TV was up more than 10%. So some of these companies, in fact, they were in single digits not too long ago, but they had a big move in today's trading session. That's not the Ratan India that we're talking about. Ratan India Enterprises, which is up 20%. HCC, Dish TV, you also had JSW Energy that Reema mentioned, I think so, and Morpin Labs as well. Big up move is what we saw. And just throw in there a couple of cement companies. India Cements was up 6%. You had Sagar Cement that was up close to around 5%. And Orient Cement as well that was up close to around 8%. We said that post that, post the Ambuja Sanghi deal, some of these smaller companies, they could get excited. It seems on the back of cheaper valuations, they're seeing some bit of traction in today's session. Well, that's a wrap on Closing Bell, but you don't go anywhere.